because we were having talks in Norway. All their notes, yung magkabilaan nakukuha ko, their notes, mga NP, pati yung note ng government panel. Paano ko kinuha, hindi ko sabihin sa inyo. So I was summing it all. The total sum is they wanted a coalition government. In this country, the one that holds the sovereign power is the people. But marami, milyon tayo, so we can only do it by representatives. So you have the Congress, represented House of Representatives. Then, dito sa ibang powers distributed sa Supreme Court. But if you want to hold sovereign power, the important fundamentals there, you must be elected by the people. Eh kung gusto mo lang ng